Welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the IDDSI website to find information. In the next few minutes, we will go over the best way to find things on the website, which resources are available on the website, translations, and country-specific resources. Firstly, if you ever need to find anything on the IDDSI website, we recommend using the search bar. Go to the top right of your screen, click the magnifying glass icon, and a search bar will pop up. Searching for a term like bread will bring up all the relevant places the term is referenced by clicking search. You can also search for, under search mode, any word in the phrase that you've typed in, all words, the exact phrase, or any words or synonyms. Under each search result, you will also see how relevant it is based on the color of the bar. You can also go to resources to look up any IDDSI resources. By clicking resources, you will see the available list on the left-hand side. There are framework documents, audit tools, funnel information, implementation guides, patient handouts, posters, product labeling, publications, testing cards, webinars, or videos. If the resource has a specific translation, it can be found here by clicking on the submenu. For example, by clicking patient handouts, you'll be able to see what is available in English and any other languages that it might be translated into. If you're looking specifically for translations of the IDDSI framework and testing methods, go over to translations in the top menu. Here, you'll be able to see a full list of any translations for the IDDSI framework and testing methods in PDF format. If you're looking for country-specific information, such as the IDDSI reference group or anything that has to do with your local communities, there are a few places that you can turn to. Firstly, you can go under IDDSI framework on the submenu, and then around the world. You can also head to this page from the home page, which we will show you later. On the left-hand side, you will see a breakdown of all the different countries and reference groups or study areas that might have a specific IDDSI reference group. Going into each individual's specific IDDSI reference group page, you'll be able to see a couple of pieces of information, such as the current implementation status, reference group information, contact information, and country-specific resources. From the home page, you'll notice that there are a few pieces of up-to-date information, such as upcoming events organized with IDDSI Global, and of course, what is happening around the world, which is the same as the Around the World page that we just mentioned. You will also see on here, as you scroll down, different pieces of news that we deem important for IDDSI readers to know about, and also our sponsors